In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Excel into QuickBooks Online. This process is hands down an essential skill for anyone managing business finances, and it can be incredibly useful if you have a lot of data to deal with. Let's get started right away, shall we? First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. You'll then be prompted to choose your service and you should select QuickBooks Online. This option is where all your digital accounting magic happens. Once you've selected that, you'll be asked to enter your credentials. These are simply your account login details. Type them in and hit Continue. This step is crucial because it verifies your identity and takes you to the right place within QuickBooks. After you've signed in and landed on the main dashboard, look for the option labelled New. You'll find this as a part of the tools QuickBooks provides to add new data. Clicking on this option will present you with various actions you can perform, and you will select Journal Entry from this list. This is the fundamental action point that sets our plan in motion today. Now, once you're in the Journal Entry section, look for the button that says Import. This is your gateway to bringing in data from external sources like Excel. Clicking on Import opens up a window that allows you to pull in files directly from your computer. Next up, it's time to locate the Excel file you want to import. But remember, your trusty Excel worksheet should be saved in a CSV format to ensure compatibility. When you click on Browse, it opens up a file explorer on your computer, just like how you'd go about uploading photos or documents elsewhere. Navigate through your folders, find your CSV file and select it. This pulls in all your data from Excel right into QuickBooks. Finally, swing back to the main QuickBooks dashboard. You've got the data imported, and you're back at the hub where all your transactions, details, and data intertwine. Now you can start utilizing the imported data for your bookkeeping tasks. With these steps, you've successfully imported your Excel data into QuickBooks Online. Understanding and organizing your financial information just got a whole lot easier, didn't it? Thank you for joining today's walkthrough, and remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Happy bookkeeping!